Hello, my young explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with the chapter number 6 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is pronouns, right? So, हम बात करने वाले हैं pronouns के बारे में. So, let me tell you what these pronouns are first of all. तो pronouns are basically the words जो हम nouns की जगह पर use कर सकते हैं, right? The words that we use in the place of the nouns are known as the pronouns, right? So let us begin with the chapter now and see what else they are telling us about these pronouns. So let's understand. A pronoun stands for pronouns. राइट तो प्रोनाउन जो है वो एक्चुअली नाउन्स के लिए यूज किया जाता है, नाउन्स की जगह पर यूज किया जाता है. दिस इम्प्लाइज दैट प्रोनाउन्स आर वर्ड्स यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन्स. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, तो ये हमें बताता है कि प्रोनाउन्स ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो हम नाउन्स की जगह पर यूज कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, मोहन इज अ गुड बॉय. He loves all. Correct? Now, the next thing. The above sentences means Mohan is a good boy and Mohan loves all. तो हमने जो ऊपर सेंटेंसेस पढ़े, इनका मतलब ये है कि मोहन जो है वो एक बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है और मोहन सबसे बहुत प्यार करता है. The word he has been used in the second sentence in place of Mohan. Therefore, the word he is a pronoun. हमने second sentence में जो word he use किया है वो मोहन की जगह पर use किया है, मोहन के लिए use किया है. That means मोहन is a noun or he is a pronoun. Correct? Now, the next thing that we have is kinds of pronoun. तो अब बात की जाए kinds of pronouns के बारे में. So it is broadly, pronouns can be of any of the following two kinds. कि अगर हम देखें तो pronouns जो है वो दो तरीकों के हैं. What are they? One is the personal pronoun and the other is the possessive pronoun. Right? So, सबसे पहले पर्सनल प्रोनाउन को डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं. तो अ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ अ पर्सन, एनिमल, बर्ड और अ थिंग इज कॉल्ड पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. कि प्रोनाउन जो है वो यूज किया जाता है एक पर्सन, एनिमल, बर्ड या फिर थिंग की प्लेस पर, उन्हें कहा जाता है पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. एग्जाम्पल, I am going outside. She is going to the market. Right? So, observe the personal pronouns chart. अब जल्दी से ये personal pronoun का जो chart हमें यहाँ पर दिया गया है, इसे देखते हैं. So, here we have the person, their number, subject and the object. Right? So, first person in singular is I, me. But first person in plural is we and us. Second person in singular is you and your. But second person in plural is you and your. After that, third person in singular is he, she, or it, he, she, or it, and as object it is him, her, and it. But third person in plural as subject is they, and as object is them. Correct? Next, we have possessive pronouns show possession or sense of belonging of the pronoun in the sentence. कि possessive pronouns क्या है? ये हमें possession show करते हैं या फिर sense of belonging of the pronoun, यानी कि कोई भी चीज़ किस person को या किस object को belong करती है, ये हमें बताते हैं. Right? Examples, that car is mine. This doll is hers. Correct? So, observe the possessive pronouns chart. अब यहाँ पर एक चार्ट है जिसमें possessive pronouns हैं, इसे भी देखते हैं. So, first person as singular is mine, but as plural is ours. Second person as singular is yours, and in plural is yours. Third person as singular is her, hers, and its, but in plural it is theirs. Correct? Now we have a don't forget box that says possessive pronouns should not be confused with possessive adjectives. Right? कि possessive pronouns और possessive adjectives में हमें confuse नहीं होना चाहिए. Correct? So, that was all about the chapter pronouns. I hope you all are clear with their kinds and their uses. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.